Hello, everyone. I'm back. It's been a while. I know it's been a while, but I am back as a promise. This is a promise. I'm doing a what do you call it? Unboxing for Allure's beauty box, and I'm doing this as a promise to one of my friends who is a YouTuber. Her name is Age Graceful, and Age Graceful does she does makeup. She sometimes will show you wigs, or most of the time it's all about beauty and skincare with her. But she does a lot of other things too. She likes to do cooking. She likes to do a lot of collaborations with other YouTubers. Sometimes she will do. She just does a lot of different things. Go to her channel so that you can see everything that she does. Okay, and she had a discount code from Allure's Beauty, and so with her discount code, I ordered my first Allure Beauty box. This is my first ever. August is the August box is my first ever beauty box, and I was so excited. I was so excited to get it that I have to admit that I already looked inside both of my boxes. This is August and this is September. And I could not wait. But I tried to keep everything intact. I did do a little sampling, but I tried to keep everything intact so that I can share it with you, okay? So I'm gonna go on and get started. And as I go, if I think of any other information, I will let you know what that information would be. I will share it with you. So I'm gonna move September aside, and we're gonna start with August, okay? Let's bring August over. Message. I hope they didn't pop up on my video. But anyway, so this is for you, Age Graceful. I know I'm late, and I'm gonna try my best to start doing more on my channel. It was her idea. She said, "Why don't you do an unboxing on your video?" Because I haven't been on my videos for a while, so this is a good thing. I can share it with everyone. And I have to say, I really enjoy both of my boxes. I enjoy looking at everything. So I'm gonna open August. And when you first get the box, this is what it looks inside. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of people that have seen it already because I was obsessed. I was obsessed with waiting for it. So of course I did a whole lot of research, going to TikTok and YouTube, looking at unboxings because I was so excited about it. And that's what I love about going to H. Graceful's channel, because she does so many beautiful, interesting unboxings on Sunday. She does a Sunday skincare every other Sunday. Yes, so go over and check her out, okay? And I will put her channel in the description box so you can go check her out. Okay, so the first thing is the pamphlet, and inside the pamphlet it shows you, it didn't show all the products, but it shows you, some of the products. They try to show you most of the products that's going to be inside your beauty box. Okay, so let's put that aside, because the next card I got was a welcome card, because this is my first beauty box from Allure, and this was a welcome card. So I'm going to read my welcome note. It's a welcome note. Okay, it says, "You're in." It says, "Welcome to our community of beauty lovers. We can't wait for you to try the must-have products that our editors picked just for you at a value you won't find anywhere else." And it says, "Get ready. Your routine will never be the same." Okay, and I believe that from looking at this box and looking at September's box and looking at all the goodies, I know that my routine will never be the same, because they have so many wonderful products from good stores, with very well-known labels, and stores that you can go to, like Allure. Allure is one of the stores. Okay, and I was really excited. I was like, wow, I got something from Allure. I mean, not Allure. I meant to say Sephora. The store Sephora has really nice things there, makeup and skincare and everything that a female or a woman would like. Okay, but anyway, this is another card that they give you to show you some of the discounts. Excuse the spot, because I told you I opened it. So it's got spills from it and everything, because I was all in the box. Okay, so this right here shows you other products that you can order. And it says that you can, from them, you can get up to 80% off. when you order things from them, okay, from Allure. Okay, so those are the products, and we're gonna go on it and get started. Well, let's open. This is the August box. I am a little late, but I'm sure some of you will still like to see what came in August. Okay, in the first one, let's open the pamphlet, and the pamphlet will tell me the first product. Okay, so the first product is called Tula Skincare. This is Tula. This is Tula Skincare, and it's a facial scrub. Okay, very nice. This looks like, and this is a full-size container, and it says Soul Polish Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. And then I have to say the smell, because I smelled it already, and the smell is like a really sweet, sugary, light scent. Very nice and light. Okay, let's put this aside. Should I put it over here? Let's move this box aside so we can have room for the products. Okay, so that, and then I also should tell you, this is a full-size box. Okay, and let me first tell you that if you start ordering Allure, it's $23 a month. Okay. And this product, I already know this product is $32. So there you go. There you go. This costs more than the box will cost. This is $32. And I also should say that I got a 40% off because I had a discount code from Age Graceful. So my first box was 40% off. But, you know, every month after that is $23 a month, and you receive your beauty box every month. Okay, so the next product will be, it's magnetic, I should say. Look at this. This is the magnetic lashes, and look how beautiful the box is. It's magnetic. Even the box is magnetic. It's beautiful. And then inside they have individual lashes if you want to use the individual lashes. And it comes with magnetic eyeliner. This is the magnetic eyeliner. Okay, it comes with that. And then they also give you instructions on how to put the lashes on. They give you the instructions, which is nice. It's very nice. Okay, we're gonna just put this aside there. Okay, the price for this is oh, wait a minute. Ooh. I forgot this. We're gonna do the tint next, but the eyelashes are $55. That is a deal. You're only paying $23 a month. That is a deal, honey. You're getting really nice quality products. These eyelashes and the eyelash liner is $55. That is so nice. Okay, so I skipped the product. This product is called Tint. Let me see. Let's see the company for the lashes first. It's called Magnetic Tube. Okay, that's what the company is. Magnetic Tube. Okay, let's put that there. And okay, the product I skipped is called Tint. It is a brow gel. It's called Tint. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to. There. It's a brow gel. And I have to say I tried it. For my little bit of eyebrows, I have a little bit of eyebrows that kind of guides my eyeliner. My eyebrow pencil. I like to keep just a little bit, and then it kind of guides me to shape, my eyebrows. And I also have to say that I use this on my granddaughter. My granddaughter has very light, it's full eyebrows, but they're very thin and light. So I put this on hers, and it shaped it so pretty. The gel, it shapes your eyebrows, and then it keeps it in place. If you have eyebrows, this is perfect for a person that has eyebrows. Okay, and the price for that is $14. Okay, it's $14 for a full size. I don't know, I think this might be a full size. It says 2.5. Yeah, that says 2.5. And it doesn't tell me if this is the full size. It might be a sample size, but it's still really nice. It's $14 for the full size it would be, okay? So the next product, let's move on. We need to hurry because we have September to do too. Okay, so this next product is called, and I think I'm saying it right, Solana MD. It's a healthy base layer that you put on your face. It's a moisturizing cream for your face, and the ingredients in it is hydrating. Okay, and the hydrating ingredients is coconut oil, and it has hyaluronic acid. I can't say that, but okay. So it keeps your skin. It makes your skin moisturized and radiant. There it is right there. Okay. And let me get the product. Okay, so this is a sample product. This is a sample of the product, and the full size will cost $54. So woo, wow! And I tried some of it already, just on my hand, just to see how moisturizing it is, and it is very nice. It's very nice. Let me see. I don't remember the scent. Oh yeah, it has like a minty. It smells so good. It smells so good. It has like a minty smell to it. A clean minty smell. Okay. Let's say that again. It's Solana MD. It's a healthy base layer for your skin. Okay. It has vitamin D. It's enriched with vitamin D. Okay. So that's that. What does it say? Does it say? Let me see. And it says, "Why you'll love it. This rich whipped cream infused with vitamin D melts into your skin instead of sitting on top and helps keep it smooth and plump." Okay, or soothe. Helps keep it smooth and plump. So that would be very nice. So it gives you a youthful look. Okay, so the next product will be called Blush Duo from Beauty Crop. It's the Beauty Crop. That's the Blush Duo. And the Blush Duo has like a cream blush and then the powder blush. Okay? And the full size is $10.99. And let me show you. Okay, so this right here is the powder. That's the powder. See how pigmented it is? I put it on my hand already. And then this is the cream. It's so nice. It feels the same. It's been sitting on my hand for a while and it feels the same. So you get the same effect from the cream and the powder. This is the powder, this is the cream. Okay? Very nice. So, and it's very pigmented. I love it. Blush Duo. Okay. The next product is Sephora. I got something from Sephora. And it's clean skin gel. It's a cleanser. It's a cleanser. It's a clean skin gel cleanser. Okay, it's just a little sample size. The full size would be $12. Okay, and this is to cleanse your skin. It says, let me see. It says the mascara almost melts away and the skin feels soft. So that's good. It takes makeup off very well. It's very good at taking mascara off. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be the sunscreen. And it doesn't show the lip color pencil. But okay, so this is the sunscreen, and it's called Sunday Riley. And I tried this one too a little bit. And it's just like other skin, some other sunscreens where you really have to rub it in, but it smells nice and light and clean. Very nice. I loved it. When I tried it a little bit, I loved it. And the sunscreen is called Lighthearted. This is Sunday Riley. And this is called Lighthearted. Very nice. Okay, that's the sunscreen. And does it say how much? No, it doesn't give me the price of that. Okay, so the next product, and I love this. I tried this a little bit too. This is called Pillow Talk Lip Cheat. Lip cheat. Okay, and the color of the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat is Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, it's really beautiful. It's a beautiful pink. You know, if you want to wear just like a really nice girly pink color. This is the color I put on my hand. That's how pigmented it can be. The lip liner is very beautiful. It's a pink color. See, oh, that's pretty right there. Beautiful. I tried it on and I really love it. So if you want to put soft makeup on, this would be really nice for any complexion. It's beautiful for any complexion. Okay, and then this is the perfume. Oh my goodness, I dropped it. Wait a minute, let me get it. Okay, so this is the perfume. Uh-oh, what happened? I'm having a hard time over here. Turn the light back on. What happened? My light came out. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is a perfume that came in the beauty box. You always get some kind of fragrance, okay? And this one is called Victor and Wolf. Victor and Wolf. And the name of the perfume is Good Fortune. Okay, I already opened this too because I can't wait. I have no patience. I was so excited about getting it. And just give you a little sample. I only sprayed just a tiny bit, so that's mainly, that's what you get. That's the amount that they give you. Okay, it was not completely filled. And the scent, if I was to describe the scent, it kind of reminds me of Angel. You know, perfume you can get from the major department stores like Dillard. I have to get that later. I keep dropping it, keeps falling up. But it kind of reminds me, the fragrance reminds me of Angel. I think this fragrance is mainly a good scent for, you know, during the holidays, like the winter months and holidays. Okay, and that. All right, I'm back because I tried to do September to include September with August, but it's not working because I don't have enough storage. So I am going to do September's box in a separate video. So look forward to that video. Okay, stay tuned because that video will be coming soon. Okay, so far this is the August box. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Please give me some likes. I really need some likes, okay? Thank you very much. And I will be back. Stay tuned to do the September. Thank you. Have a nice day.